Hi everyone, my channel is English Ladder. Let's start learn English like a native.
Welcome to your English level test. I'm going to ask you 30 questions to test your grammar and vocabulary. At the end, you'll discover your CEFR level from beginner to fluent. So grab a pen or answer in your head, and let's begin. You're about to see 30 English questions. Each one shows you 3 sentences. Your job? Choose the one that uses English correctly. From beginner to advanced, let's test your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. He have a new car. B. He has a new car. C. He has new car. The correct answer is B. He has a new car. In the simple present tense, we use has with he, she, it, and in forget the article, a. Question 2. Choose the correct negative sentence. A. She don't like pizza. B. She doesn't like pizza. C. She doesn't like pizza. Correct answer, C. We say, she doesn't like pizza. In negatives, we use doesn't plus the base form of the verb. Question 3. Which word is a noun? A. Quickly. B. Happiness. C. Running. Correct answer, B. Happiness. It's a thing or an idea. Quickly is an adverb. Question 4. Fill in the blank. I blank to the market yesterday. A. Go.
B. Went. C. Going.
Correct answer is B. Went. Yesterday shows past tense, so we use the past form of go, which is went. Question 5. Which is correct? A. There is 5 books. B. There are 5 books. C. There be 5 books. Answer. B. There are 5 books. Use are with plural nouns. Question 6. Choose the correct article. She is honest person. A. B. N. C. The. Correct answer is B. N. Use N before vowel sounds. Honest starts with a vowel sound. Question 7. Which is the correct plural? A. Child's. B. Children's. C. Children. Answer. C. Children. Child becomes children in plural. Question 8. Choose the correct sentence. A. I can't swim. B. I can swim. C. I can swimming. Correct answer is B. After can, we use the base form of the verb. Question 9. What is the opposite of early? A. First. B. Late. C. Slow. Correct answer is B. Late. They both refer to time. Question 10. Which question is correct? A. What you do. B. What you're doing. C. What do you do?